Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the keybinds in Iron Nest. Let's start by opening the settings menu. Do so by clicking on the clipboard in the main menu or by pressing the escape key and selecting settings. From here, select controls. In here, let's scroll to movement. As you can see, we have quite a few options we can change. Let's say I want to change the movement keys. I click on the field of the action I want to change, then after press now is displayed, I input the new key. As you can see, I changed the W to up arrow. Unfortunately, you cannot reset individual settings, so you have to change them back manually. Simple click and then input. You can do so for the following settings. There is forward, backward, left and right, of course being the main movement keys. There is jump, sprint and crouch. Under interaction there is additional primary click, secondary click, escape, drop gas mask, clipboard toggle visibility, clipboard focus, activate, skip and pick up. There is also an option to reset the controls. This resets only the, controls in this menu. If I, for example, change this sensitivity and hit reset controls, I don't think they will change, yes. So it only affects the movement and interaction sections. Let me test it right now. Yes, it affects movement and it will affect, I think, interactions as well. Yes, it works. Of course, once you are done, hit apply and close. Then hit return. And that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.